Hello everybody! This is Glenda with Fralins and Friends Crafts Plus. Welcome! Please subscribe, click that notification bell and give me a thumbs up because that lets me know I'm on the right track. And tonight, I've got to show you, when things go big around here, they go gigantic. Okay, I thought I was ordering some ribbons, and you know, you've seen this package and there's just thousands of these little things in here. I also, for these bears, I ordered some ribbon, long ribbon, some grosgrain, thinking I was going to get, you know, the regular. This is what you call really biting off more than you can chew. No way. Okay. Yes. And, of course, if you remember from yesterday or whenever I told you, I ordered 2 sizes because I wasn't sure which size I wanted to go for. These things don't like to be opened. So now I have 2 big things of pink ribbon of different sizes. We've got what we need, obviously, so let's finish a bar with the bar essentials. I'm going to just take out a few. I'm going to go through this first because I want to hide the knot in the thread. So I'm going to go through the back of the ribbon first, I hope. Because I want to go all the way through the ear because I want to make sure that that stays. Okay, that's not so easy to do. Now I got a tangle. See, you get to see me make all these blunders, which means it's okay to blunder. It has to be, because otherwise I'd never do anything. So it absolutely has to be okay to make a blunder. Okay. There, I've got that ribbon on the thread. And what I want to do is I want to go all the way through this ear on the front side. So I want to make sure that ear stays. What I did do is I did get it tacked through the ear so that both ears are now, they should be good and stable. They shouldn't come, you know, the thread that's looped on there shouldn't come off. So now I'm thinking that this ribbon will be, yeah, that's plenty thick enough to go around. Yeah. So, about how long do I want to make it? Save that tape. I can shorten it if I need to, but okay. Okay, I'm going to do a double knot here because it'll make it easier to make the bow. Okay. Let's go around this way. And through here. Okay. Now, what I did, in case you didn't notice, I double knotted this. When I tied it around, like a shoelace, instead of just doing a single and then tying the bow, I did a double knot, then tied the bow. And now, if I can get this threaded again, I'm going to turn off the camera so I can thread this needle, because it takes me a while. And then I'm going to tack this ribbon in place. So, be right back. Okay, now I want to tack this in place so that it doesn't go, yeah, we kind of like things to not twist around the bear. We don't want them to have to fight that all the time, so we're just going to fix it for them ahead of time. Get it in place, nice and secure. Oh, that's the, okay. Just go ahead and give it a couple little whip stitches. I don't know, we always call them whip stitches. What do you guys call them? They're just little whip stitches. Okay. Not. Ow! That one is sharp. I'm trying very hard not to poke myself and get blood on the bear. I like to do a couple of knots. Oh, I didn't do the thing. I just do it this way. More than one way to tie a knot. Okay. Oh, I should get all the way through here, if possible, so that we don't come untied. Okay. There. I didn't get all the way through to the top layer. I didn't get through the knot, I guess. So now I'm through the knot. It shouldn't come undone, because that would not be cool. All right. I've used these scissors for so many things that I think they're getting a little too dull for thread. Okay. I get to pick the best ones. At least try to. Ouch. I keep poking myself. Knot that up real good. Why is that so loose? It should not be loose at all. There we go. Okay, guys, what do you think? Because I'm really not sure on this. Should I actually draw a face on? Or put a face on it at all? Or is it a nice enough snuggie this way? Is it cuter with without the face? And just something to snuggle up to? Or do I really need to put a face on it? So I'll let you tell me that. Part of me says, yes, put a face on it. Another part of me says, just let it be cute as it is. I'm losing battery. So this is where we are. I'm going to go ahead and call this a how-to. Up here in the corner, the left corner, I will put the link to the one that shows how I put this together. And so this will be kind of showing you how I put the thing together. Yes, I had some blunders, but that just shows you. You can make a blunder. You can use the wrong needle and still salvage the project. So, but I think it's cute as can be. Definitely girly. This is a cute bear. I can draw a face on if need be. But I would need to do it with a marker that's permanent, because otherwise it's going to wash out as soon as they throw it in the machine. That's one reason why I tacked all of these bows down and sewed them right to the fabric, or to the blanket, because I don't want it to come undone in the washing machine. And I want them to be able to wash it. So there is one very cute little bear for a very precious little girl. We will see you. I upload on Mondays and Tuesdays, and I upload on Fridays and Saturdays. So I will see you Friday. And I'll get the other two bears made. But let me know what you think. Face? No face. Which way is cuter? So, I love all of you. Take care of yourselves. Smile and wave at somebody. Be kind. We need smiles, laughs, kindness, and just all around good energy in this world right now. We need to just everybody start listening and talking in nice conversational voices. So please come back Friday for another project.